Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel Beautiful Lifestyle. Friends, in today's video I'll be talking about my top 3 skincare picks from the brand Pilgrim. The Pilgrim's Secret of Jeju Island products. I have got 3 skincare products and I'll be talking in detail about them in today's video. But before starting with that, let me tell you something great, exciting, good news about this. It's Pilgrim's Black Friday sale. From 26th November to 29th November, you can avail this offer. Now, what is this offer? You can buy one and get one free on all the Pilgrim's products. Isn't that great, friends? I'll be talking about the offer and all the details about it in the end of the video. Now, let me quickly tell you something about the brand. Let me give you some insights about this brand Pilgrim. Pilgrim is a brand that has been unearthing beauty secrets from all over the world. The products from this brand Pilgrim are made in India. They are 100% vegan. They are cruelty free. Also FDA approved and PETA certified. And let me tell you, they are completely organic. That means it does not contain any sulfates or parabens into it. Now friends, quickly let me tell you about the product. The very first product is this one. This is Pilgrim's Secrets of Jeju Island Salicylic Acid and Glycolic Acid Foaming Face Wash. You get 120 ml of a bottle inside, which looks like this. Packaging, as I said, is really very good because they have mentioned the whole ingredient list here, which you can see a complete ingredient list is mentioned. Also, they have mentioned that it is mineral oil, sulfate and paraben free. As I said, that this brand is completely organic, and also let me mention that they are free from toxic 20 also. Now, if you are wondering what is toxic 20, it is the substances, some substances added into skincare products by other brands which can harm your skin. If you want to know the whole list of these 20 products, you can visit this link which is given here on the screen. So you can get the whole list which is harmful for our skin, friends. So these products from this brand are free from this toxic 20 also. Now this face wash contains the yugdugu, that is nutmeg, and also salicylic and glycolic acid, as I said, and it has amazing other ingredients which works great for oily and acne prone skin type. It has AHA and BHA also into it, which resurfaces your skin, retexturizes your skin and reduces the sebum production, and that's how you prevent the acne and pimple breakouts also on your skin. The foaming face wash action gives you a clear and bright complexion, which I really liked. As you can see here also, it's very convenient to use and it's really working. My recommendation of this face wash will be for oily and acne prone skin type. If you are suffering from acne and pimples, friends, definitely try this face wash. Friends, talking about skincare, the product which I cannot live without is the facial mist or toner. I love the toning part in my skincare regime, and that's why I'll recommend you this second product, Pilgrim's Secrets of Jeju Island White Lotus Natural Facial Mist and Toner with Camellia and Witch Hazel extracts. Now this one I really like. Why? Because it's alcohol free as well. So a toner which does not contain even alcohol will just revive your skin to a next level, friends. Friends, inside you get 100 ml of a spray bottle like this. Now this toner specially hydrates your skin, nourishes your skin and improves the skin's elasticity. As I said that it is an alcohol free toner. It is ultra hydrating mist and toner combination. It has witch hazel and camellia white lotus to soothe and purify and refresh the tired skin. The unique formulation ensures it spreads evenly on your skin. It instantly provides deep hydration. With regular usage, it increases the skin's natural glow also. Friends, this is your ticket to a quick boost anytime during the day. Coming to my last product is the day cream from Pilgrim's The Secrets of Jeju Island White Lotus Day Cream with SPF 50. Inside you get 100 gram of tub, a huge tub, and also a wooden spatula. Inside the cream looks like this. Now friends, whenever you are using a day cream, just see that it contains SPF. This day cream has SPF 50, so you are sorted. You are safe from the harmful radiations of the sun, so you can use it daily. So this is how it looks like. Now this cream specially works for improving your complexion. It fights the pigmentation, and yes, it also protects you from the harmful sun's radiations. Apply this cream with the spatula given, and you should apply this cream 10 minutes before you step out in the sun. So friends, those were the 3 products which I definitely feel it's worth trying. So if you are interested in buying any of the products which I have shown in the video today, you can check the link in the description box below. And don't forget, it's Pilgrim's Black Friday sale. Grab the offer of buying one and getting one free, absolutely free. So do not forget to check that offer. It's valid for only 4 days. Stock your favorite skincare and hair care products from this brand, friends. Link is given in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have enjoyed. And if you have liked the information provided in this video, you have to like this video, share it with your friends. And yes, friends, also make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. If not, please hit the red button down below and also on the notification bell. And I'll see you super soon in my next interesting video. Till then, you take care of yourself and always keep smiling. Bye-bye.